Hey guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday and it has been a day. So I'm probably not going to talk much in this video because I don't know. Anyway, today we have a burger. I was hoping for a foot long, but they ran out of foot longs and then switched to burgers. So I have a burger and they ran out of cheese. So I have a burger. I'm just going to put a lot of mustard on it. There's one packet. Megan said, like, I don't even know. I was too busy. So she packed my lunch for me. She said, I think she had the breakfast casserole that has, is it sausage and eggs and hash browns or something? I don't know. We'll check it out here in a minute. I love mustard. Okay. Do I just get mustard on my face? I have it on my hands now. Okay, so a burger with mustard. A lot of mustard everywhere. I haven't eaten anything yet today. I'm hungry. So the burger and FRITOS. And, oh, she got me baked beans too. Is that bubbles or what is that? It literally look like purple beads. There's air bubbles. Oh, maybe I can do this. Pretty good. And here's this breakfast casserole thing. So all kinds of things today. Oh, why are you not pointing at my tray all the way? Did I spill them? Oh, I didn't even scoot back. Oh my god. Okay. So let's get a bite of beans here. Those are pretty good. I don't typically eat baked beans unless I like dip chips in them, but pretty good. So that's what they say: eggs, hash browns, sausage, cheese. Oh, that's pretty good too. That's just super heavy. And that's good. That's really good. And there's turkey sausage, cheese, hash browns, and eggs. Mm-hmm. Yum. Yummy. That'd be so good like on a cold winter morning. A warm and cozy meal. I had a can of Diet Coke this morning, and then I stopped and got my 2 Diet Cokes. I'm still on my first one. I've just been so busy today. Yesterday was super busy too. After work, this thing hanging away. After work, I went and got Jax, went home, was home for like half hour, loaded up all the kids, stopped and put gas in my car because my gas light was on. Got them each a drink and a snack. So I could go with me. I had Jax's like parent-teacher conference thing. I had to take them all with me. So I did that. I was there for over an hour. And then drove clear to Lima to pick up prescriptions and get some groceries. Then they were hungry, so we stopped at Taco Bell and just ate inside. So by the time we get home, crunchy tacos aren't crunchy. And then I didn't even get a crunchy taco. You go in, you have to order from a kiosk when you go in, and my kids are fighting over who's sitting where and just being a pain, but they've had to sit and be still all day at school, and then this whole time while I was at this meeting, then go sit and ride the whole way to the store. So I know they were getting antsy. But I got a double stacked taco, then the value meal or value menu nachos, which that's a great deal. It's got cheese, guacamole, meat, beans, tomatoes, sour cream, and I got nacho fries. What are the plans I have for you? What the hell that is? Sounds like fireworks. These are pretty good. Oh, today's been a day. It's so funny. Yesterday before work, I went to Walmart. Number one, when I go to the store before work, anything I buy has to sit in my car for like the next 4 to 5 hours. Number two, I don't typically buy produce at Walmart because I don't think they're the best produce. If it's like on some great deal, that's different. I usually get my produce at Meijer or Aldi. So I went to Walmart yesterday morning. Got like 10 things. Got my donuts and pops for work. Got the kid each a color changing cup. Got 2 bottles of Benadryl. Got a bag of cheddar and sour cream Ruffles because they sounded good. I got a box of muffins for Jack's to last until I can get to Sam's. I got a pack of Sour Patch Kids Oreos that I've been seeing at Walmart. Excuse me, that's pretty much all I got. And I posted on my TikTok and then somebody commented, thumbs down because you aren't healthy and didn't buy any produce. I saw it last night, like after I got home from all my running around. It was so funny because at Meijer, when I was at Meijer, they had strawberries on sale for 99 cents. So I got 3 packs of strawberries. Raspberries were 2 for $4, so I got 2 packs of raspberries. The kids wanted blackberries, I got those. I got bananas. I got tomatoes, celery, carrot chips, and then petite carrots, bagged salad mix. And then I got milk, cottage cheese, Diet Coke and Coke Zero because they were on sale. And Diet Dr. Pepper and Diet Root Beer because they were on sale. I didn't TikTok it or anything. I had all 3 kids and I was actually going grocery shopping. Man, I just want to go home and pull it all out of the fridge and be like, okay, here's your produce, lady. We were so upset about that I didn't buy any produce. I went to their page. It's a private account. They have 2 followers, but they follow like over 2,000. Like they probably just follow people and just say stupid shit. I like literally laughed last night. Like this person is giving me crap because I didn't buy any produce, but they didn't see what I bought the same day at the store that I buy produce at when I was able to take it home and put it away. It's just so funny to me what people put their time and energy into. Piece of hair. All right. I can't always show everything, you know? It's loud. Hope everyone's okay. That sounds like a lot of sirens. Oh, there's an ambulance. I'm pretty sure I heard a fire truck. People get out of the way. I think they hawk at intersections too. But. That's a lot. I'd say either house fire or accident because that's a lot of vehicles. I cried at Jackson's parent-teacher conference. I'm so proud of him. Like, he didn't even start preschool till like November. Then they had the break for Thanksgiving, then Christmas break, and New Year's break. Like, I feel like he hasn't even been there long. Like, he loves his friends, and not one single kid in his preschool class is going to the same elementary as him. So he won't, I don't want to cry, he won't see not a single one of those kids at school next year, like on the playground. Then, like, and his one friend, like, when they leave, his friend will come run up and give him a hug. Cruz is like his best friend. He'll say, "Bye, Jackson," and he runs up and gives him a hug. It's like next year at kindergarten, he's going to go with not knowing anybody and start all over. Which I know every kid does, and they turn out fine, but it's like, that just makes me so sad because he went from being home with me all day, every day, to just instantly starting school and being gone all day from 8 in the morning till 2:30, like full day, 5 days a week. He's not going to have a nap in kindergarten. And he sleeps every single day. She's like, oh yeah, she's like, he definitely sleeps every day. We were eating tacos last night, and just out of nowhere, he's like, "Mom, I love my school." I'm like, "I know, buddy, but you're not going to be at that school next year. You'll be at Allie's school." And he just kind of dropped his head. Like, he loves his teachers. There are multiple times that we've had like bad storms, and I'm like, "I hope Miss Bridget's okay." And she's like the main lady. It's like, that's not even his teacher. Like, when she's up there, she pulls him out to side. Like, "Jackson, just so you know," she's like, "I'm not going to be here the next couple days because when we go in, if she's not there, it throws him all off." He just, because it's not the normal. So she always lets him know that she won't be there for a few days. And then when she's back, he's like the happiest little thing. Like, he told me the one day that the one kid's not his best friend anymore. And I said, "Well, who is?" And he said, "Miss Bridget." Like, ugh, it makes me so sad that he's not going to see him, you know, after next Thursday. He won't see any of those people that he's spent the last so many months with 5 days a week, all day long. Like, his preschool is ages 3 to 5, his class. So a lot of them will still be in preschool next year. But the ones that are going to kindergarten, because there's multiple elementary schools, and not one is going to his. I'm just, a little girl across the street, she'll be in kindergarten, so maybe he'll be in her class, or at least maybe he'll see her. Thank God that Allie will be walking him in every day. So kindergarten, you don't take them in. You drop them off, they go in, the teachers take them in. No, like, parents are allowed to enter the school. We're at preschool. I walk them in every day. We wait in the hallway till the one lady comes out, and then we walk in. I walk into his classroom and give him a hug and a kiss and a high five right before he walks in his classroom. Like, you personally take them there and drop them off. So yeah, kindergarten, I'll be like, okay, I'll pull up and I'm on the drop-off line. Say, okay, I'll see you later. And him and Allie will get out. And they're going to, so thank God. And she's like, take charge. So she'll make sure he gets to where he's gonna go. She'll be like the biggest, proudest big sister to take care of her brother. Preschool, when he first started, there were times I had to like physically pick him up and hand him over to the teacher. So lots of big changes coming for us in the next couple months. It is what it is. I've got to do what's best for me and my kids. I can't eat anymore. I'm full. I don't know if any of my kids will eat baked beans. I don't think they do. There's casserole. We'll see. We'll take it home and see. Well, that's gonna be a wrap on today's lunch. Let me just scoop my seat up before I can put my tray back. Okay. That's trash. Alright guys, keep sending the positivity and positive vibes my way. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.